Hi, I'm Joe Manukin, and this is my website for the N0 Initiative, just a made-up nonprofit organization to help mountain bikers who are obsessed with buying more than one bike, basically. So kind of tongue-in-cheek, but yeah, but it's kind of a real thing too. As a mountain biker, I can attest to that. But yeah, so this is the home of the page there. I have the logo of the initiative there, as well as the navigation. And then there's just a presentation of the basic goals and purpose of the organization. And then as it goes through the sections for support, intervention, and prevention, those are kind of blocked out by the background colors. So the first one is for support. Um, Talks about finding a support group and kind of the benefits there. And then the next section that will lead you down to is the intervention section, uh, just where loved ones can coordinate with the organization in order to help take action with someone who's suffering from the syndrome and needs some help. And then the last section, the prevention section, basically talks about the tools and resources available through membership to help recognize the symptoms and help stop things before they start. And then down here at the end, we have the call to action to join the organization and to help end the cycle of the N+1 syndrome that plagues mountain bikers and road bikers do. But this site's focused on mountain bikers. Then we got the copyright and excuse me, the social media links down here. But yeah, that's my website. Pretty straightforward, kind of basic layout, and that was done on purpose, as well as using kind of a neutral font here. Just the idea being that people who are going to visit the site are going to be in some level of emotional distress, and the colors and the font are just designed to be not threatening and just basic, so that they don't distract or cause undue worry or stress, but just to help people find the tools they need and to be able to have hope that things are going to work out. But anyway, that's my presentation and my website. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.